What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Vegas and we got a Lambo. So yeah, we rented a Lambo for the day, 2023 Huracan. This thing is awesome. I mean, check this out, like all purple and black. It looks good. Birthday present for me for turning 40, but man, yeah, this thing is wild. Alright, she took off with the car. Might be time for me to get back in this thing. She's like, see you later. She won't drive it on the highway though. We took this thing all down the strip, all up and down the highway. This thing goes. It's fun, man. And the color, I don't like purple at all, but the color of this thing and seeing it in the sun is absolutely crazy. But I'm gonna go try and steal the car back from her now. She doesn't want to give it up. It took me like an hour to convince her to get in that thing and drive it, and then now she don't want to give it up. Let's go see if we can get it. What are we doing out here?
Happy birthday. Celebrating 40 years.
Where are we driving?
This purple Lambo.
Purple Lambo. Are you going to drive it? Get in. She's going to drive it.
I fell in.
She'll get it. All right. We're gonna teach her how to drive this. So to drive, yeah. To drive, you just hit this paddle and it'll put it in drive for you.
Wait.
Here, give me my phone so I can.
Wait, what do I do?
You're gonna push this paddle right here.
Push it towards me?
Yep, and then you're in drive.